reasons of improvement and solutions to help the experience of online learning. An online course assessment report presented by Madison Welch. Executive summary. As online business administration students, we have noticed and discussed areas in which we believe would improve and enhance the online course experience. In our discussion, we highlighted areas where we and/or students we know have had problems navigating through. For instance, advisor and student communication, implementing an online ID program, better online navigation, and more class options. Our findings indicated that 75% of students would like to have an ID program for online students, and 56.25% enjoyed online classes for learning. Vision and plan. As mentioned previously, the issue is to make the online course more enjoyable. This could be done by bettering things such as advisor and student communication, online ID programs, online navigation, and having more class options for online students. Improving these would greatly improve the online experience. Once again, improving student advisor communication, ID programs, simplifying the online navigation as a whole, and provide more online classes. The main focus here is to enhance the learning capabilities of online learning. Our student survey found from a survey of 16 students that 56.25 enjoyed online classes. Student survey questions. We are conducting a survey on how to improve student online courses. These are the questions as follows. Number 1, what is your major? Number 2, are you satisfied with taking online classes? Yes or no? Number 3, if you were teaching an online class yourself, what is one thing you would do to make it more engaging? Number 4, what would you do to improve student and advisor communication? Do you think an online ID program should be implemented for students? Yes or no? By the numbers. We surveyed 16 college undergraduates with different majors. 7 of those 8 mentioned that they do not like online courses, while the 9 left reported they are satisfied with online courses. See Figure 1. We also asked if an online ID program should be implemented, and out of those reported, 12 said yes, leaving 4 saying no. See Figure 2. Conclusion. The online course experience can better benefit the online students if we reevaluate the areas discussed in this report. The world is constantly evolving and continues to evolve, so will distance learning. We can grow the online preparation if we remember the importance of increasing student and advisors' communication, providing an ID program for online students, simplify online navigation, and provide more online courses. We will see an increase in online student enrollment. This is all based on recent events. I can see in the future online learning increasing with the vast increasements in technology and the overwhelming looming of viruses such as COVID-19. These are references as following. Thank you.